Allocating and issuing multiple works orders, comparing Sage Manufacturing versus Sicon works order processing. Legacy manufacturing, so if we go into the works order list, highlight multiple works orders through Windows functionality, either using Control or Shift, highlight them here and then select Allocate Stock. So we're going to allocate, select OK. If we just refresh our list, we can see it's allocated those works orders. Let's go and now select Issue, select OK. If we refresh our list, we can see the works orders are now issued. In Sicon, if we go into works orders, then process works orders, let's just click on search. That's going to show us any works orders that are live. We can select the works orders that we want to allocate, so we're ticking the box on the left hand side, select allocate. It's going to allocate as much as possible, and we can see the status has changed to allocated. If we then go and select issue, select OK, and the works orders are now issued. Let's also book while we're here, so we're booking in the finished items. Select book, quantity to book, you can see the batch numbers. Select OK. Second works order, and the third works order. Select OK, and we can see the works orders are now booked. Let's go and complete the Sage works order. So let's just go and select complete. So it's not possible because the items are traceable. So we're unable to do that in Sage 200 Manufacturing because we have traceable items as the finished items. So we'd have to go through individually and complete the works orders.